Alright, back on this thing. I've done the wiring, got my makeshift gas tank running down to the carbs. Let's see if it starts. I hope it does. I only got a few minutes because I got to clean all this shit up. Holy shit. It actually cranked. That's kind of surprising. Pull the choke out. Too long because I don't want to burn a valve or something, but hey, it runs. There's still a lot to be done, but that'll give us some motivation to get out here and keep doing it. So go out, work on your projects.